Ibuprofen is a non-steroidal drug widely used as an anti-inflammatory analgesic. It works by reducing hormones that cause inflammation and pain in the body. It is used to reduce fever and treat pain or inflammation caused by many conditions such as headache, toothache, back pain, arthritis, menstrual cramp, or minor injury. The process design started with the hopper. The discharge powder from the hopper is then processed through the pneumatic transport before it is being dried in the fluidized bed. The further process is a separation process. Hoppers are used as a short-term storage of raw materials, intermediates, and products in the form of particulate solids in process plant. Besides, hoppers also been used for a broad range of solid materials, from highly cohesive, poorly flowing powders to non-cohesive, free-flowing powders. The materials flow in the hopper can be categorized into mass flow and core or funnel flow. By using this equation, we can find the diameter of the hopper. But first, we must determine the sigma critical and the slope of the hopper wall. In order to calculate slope of the hopper wall, the value of theta can be determined by using friction factor correlation chart. The value of theta must also include safety margins of 3 degrees. From this chart also, we can determine the value of friction factor, which will be used later for determinations of value on confined yield stress and compacting stress. Next, the value of sigma criticals can be determined by plotting effective yield locus and the powder flow function graph. From their intersection, we can determine the sigma criticals of the hopper wall. This is a diagram of the hopper design. From the data calculated, we can determine the minimum size of the outlet dimensions of the hopper is 0.886 meter. The powder discharge is then passed through the pneumatic transport. Pneumatic transport used to channel wide range of particulate solid from wheat flour to wheat grain and plastic chips to cool. Then, the system moves to dilute suspension using large volume of air at high velocity and to dense phase mode of transport in which the solid particles are not fully suspended. How we can determine the pressure drop? First, we must select the part size and then determine the gas velocity. Finally, we can calculate the pressure drop. Step 1. Selection of part size. From the hopper design, the outlet diameter is 0.886 meter. According to American National Standards Institute, the most suitable inside diameter pipe is 0.85 meter. Step 2. The gas velocity can be determined by using this equation. Step 3. the pressure drop of the pipe can be calculated by using these equations. For horizontal part, since the theta is equal to 0, term 5 and 6 can be ignored, while for the vertical part, we assume the initial acceleration for solids and gas to take place in the horizontal section. So, the term 1 and 2 becoming 0. From the formula, we can calculate the value of the horizontal, vertical and band part. So, the total pressure loss is 1.189 bar. This is the pneumatic system for our production. For poorly water-soluble drugs, attempts have been made to enhance their rate of dissolution by increasing the surface area of the drug through micronization. However, in practice, the micronized drug particle typically exhibit greater intrinsic cohesion due to the stronger van der Waals force of attraction between particles. Since Renault that was calculated earlier is not in the range, so Hunt and Richardson correlation has been suggested to find the end value. This equation is used to find the voidage in the fluidized bed. For gas fluidization, the Van-Yu correlation is often taken as being the most suitable for particles larger than 100 micrometer. This diagram shows the fluidized bed dryer for our production.
That is our video on the design of particulate system of Ibuprofen. So I hope you guys like it. If you did, please thumbs up and leave your comment below. Thank you.